everybody. We're going to do a little pre-video here of the things you're going to need for this recipe. We have some squash right here and zucchini. We got two of each, 2 squash, 2 zucchini. This time of year they're quite fresh and a lot of your friends may be given to. This is a recipe you can use them with. You want them no bigger than that diameter. It's about the size of a silver dollar. If they get a little bigger than that, you can cut them in half and see the thickness there. And there's your squash and your zucchini. I was doing a recipe one time, they called them crucettes. That's what they call them in Britain. I couldn't figure out what they were talking about. There they are in the mixing bowl. You're going to need a teaspoon to a heaping teaspoon of Badia's Mojo Citrus Blend. Alright, and there it is already ready for us to go. Mojo Citrus Blend by Badia. There's a close-up of it. You can get it in the international section. You're going to need a 2-quart microwave-safe dish along with the lid for that. That's what you're going to be cooking this in. And there's just an example of what size you need to have. I wouldn't go any bigger than this because it won't fit in the dish. This is a side dish that you're going to be making of the squash and the zucchini. So 2 about that size. Hey everybody, it's Greg again from Heck Yeah, You Can Cook. As you can see, my wife has got me this lovely apron. Alright. So I hope everyone enjoys today's video. We're going to be making a squash dish and zucchini dish. It's this time of year. There is tons of squash and zucchini available here in East North Carolina. And so I made this little side dish and we've already discussed the ingredients. So here you've got the squash and zucchini already chopped. You've got your Badia seasoning ready to go. You just really simply add this to it and it's a stir around. Folks, I can't really make it any simpler than that. You're going to be making that stir around right there. Alright? Very simple. You'll smell the citrus coming through. Now once again, I do not add salt here because this already has salt in it. And the salt being already put in it is something that makes it such an easier dish to cook. Now you've got it right here, and what we're going to do at this time is you're going to just basically put it in the microwave, alright? But before you put it in the microwave, we're going to add some butter, alright? So the butter is a very simple butter, just a tablespoon of it. Salted, unsalted, just get right out of the fridge. And you have 1 tablespoon of butter. Many of you might not know that's what the little lines are on the for on the package. There's your 1 tablespoon. I divide mine in half. And you're simply going to put this at this time in the microwave with a lid. Now a lot of these microwaves nowadays have wonderful functions in them. And the one function that they have is they have an automatic cook sensor. This is my mom's, but it is fantastic. And you got a button right here that says vegetables. You hit 1 time, second time it says fresh, and you hit start. 3 minutes, 45 seconds, then you'll have a wonderful dish ready to go. And okay everyone, we've let this cook in the microwave and it has completed its cycle. It smells really good. One thing to ensure that the butter mixes all the way through, I always take this off. Alright. And then I will take and go ahead and transfer it to a regular serving bowl. This way it gets out, you can see the butter come all the way through, and you can have the food already ready. And this serves up to 4, maybe 5 or 6 people, depending on the size dish that you have. It goes really well with any chicken dish or any actual dish that you may have, this summertime favorite. So serve it out, it gets a little cooler, take it out. And things do get hot in the microwave, so make sure you use hand protection. And there you have it right there. I'll get a little bit of a close-up for you. I hope everybody enjoys. Wonderful little quick side dish. Took 4 minutes, maybe 5 or 6 minutes of prep. So you can do this along with whatever you're cooking, especially if it's maybe on the grill.